On the eve of this long-awaited murder trial, we know security will be tight downtown. Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker is covering the proceedings and has a preview of what to expect.
If past court hearings in this case are any indication, this could be contentious, even outside the courtroom.
Even though your man came to us.
During previous hearings, the hallway leading to the courtroom was packed with supporters of Schurr and Lyoya. It got unruly.
Do you shoot people in the head if they're drunk driving? That's what you said, and it's on camera.
The Back the Blue Michigan Facebook page is urging Schurr supporters to gather outside the courthouse at 6 Monday morning with signs, blue line flags, and stand with Schurr bracelets. Schurr supporters, including the Grand Rapids Police Officers Association, have held fundraisers for him and his family, including a golf tournament.
Tomorrow you will see a video that is going to be horrific.
Kent County Commissioner Robert Womack, who has become close to the Lyoya family and sat through jury selection, says he also expects a turnout of Lyoya supporters. Security will be tight. Extra deputies were called in for jury selection, so was a bomb-sniffing dog. This time, the court is limiting the number of people who can be in the hallway.
Pretty much, it's been a tough situation.
The death led to marches and protests and visits from civil rights leaders.
We need the Justice Department to investigate this death.
Who demanded justice and police reform. The 14-member jury, which includes 2 alternates, is made up of 4 men and 10 women. 10 are white, 3 Hispanic, and 1 woman who identified herself as biracial.
Obviously, race is always an issue. It's part of the fabric of our society, but it's not going to be an issue in the case, other than what the personal experiences of the jurors are.
The plate doesn't belong in this car.
Many of the jurors questioned were familiar with the case. Some had watched body cam video leading up to the shooting. The shooting happened in April 2022. Video released by police shows Lyoya running away from Schurr after a traffic stop, then the 2 struggling over Schurr's taser. Ultimately, Schurr, who was on top of Lyoya trying to hold him down, shot him in the back of the head. Schurr was charged with second-degree murder and later fired. The prosecution must prove that the shooting was not justified, while the defense says Schurr feared for his life.
Patrick!
Womack, the Kent County Commissioner, has marched with the Lyoya family, was with them at their son's funeral.
Justice for them, of course, would be seeing the officer go to jail.
He says he has faith in the jury.
So racially, we have 1 African American, so we can't argue about that. But when you talk about the demographics and location, you have incidents happening in the heart of Grand Rapids urban area, and the majority of the people who you might put on a jury may come from as far as Cedar Springs. They can come from anywhere in Kent County. So it's definitely going to be a challenge, but we're going to trust the jury system.
He urged peace.
I just tell the community, no matter what the outcome, we're going to have to accept it, and we can't take it out on businesses. We can't take it out on each other. We don't need violence. We don't need riots. That's something that even the Lyoya family has been trying to get out to the media. We want peace after this verdict.
Back the Blue leadership declined to comment, and the Officers Association did not respond to our request for comment. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker declined to comment for the story. Tonight at 10 and 11, an expert witness listed on the prosecution side has given his opinion before to Target 8, and back then said he found no proof that Schurr violated the law. I'm Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker.
We've been covering this case from the very beginning and will bring you to the courthouse each day until the jury reaches a verdict. You'll want to make Wood TV your home for continuous coverage as this goes on.